Welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about an action camera. This is the small action camera from SJ Cam. This is C200. This small action camera gives 4K high definition video and also it is using Sony image sensor. This camera is waterproof up to 40 meters. There are some more things written on the back of this box and on the upper and sides of this box. But what is inside this box? How small is this camera? In this video, we open this box and find out what are inside this box. If you want to purchase this camera, the link is given into the descriptions. From there, you can buy this camera. About the video quality, picture quality and all the settings and complete review about this camera, I will post another video on this channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel till now, then click on the subscribe button and press the notification icon so that you never miss any video from this channel. So let's start unboxing of this camera. A transparent tape on this box. This is packed with waterproof case. Let's take out from this box. Here is a button which can switch on or off this. Box inside box. Let's take out that also. This is clamp. Okay. This is second mount to mount the camera when you are not using waterproof case. This is cable and USB type C cable. You can see it here. This is USB type C, type A to type C. This is cloth to clean the lens. Nobody is giving this type of cloth and this is the must accessory every camera should have. These are the stickers, SJ Cam stickers. You can stick anywhere you want. These are the some mounts to mount the camera on helmet or any other kind of devices or another surfaces. These are the stickers with the help of which you can stick all the mounts on, as I told you, in any environment. And this is the last one. These are two more stickers. Okay, user manual is here. This is the user manual for this. Okay, everything is given. This is important to download the application of this. So keep it tight. Let's take out this device from this case. First of all, you need to remove this. There is a mark on this. You can see it here. This is too much tight to open. It takes very hard to open this. Yes, this was the case. It's not opening. Yes, and let's take out this device. It's not coming out. It's really very hard to pull out this device from this case. I tried a lot, but it takes too much time. So I am fast forwarding this and it's really very difficult. Ultimately, it's out. It's really very small as advertised keychain device. This is much smaller than this DJI Osmo Action. You can see it's very small. Size is very similar, and you can see it here. Length is almost same, but you can see some small portion is there still pending. You can see it here. It is for Wi-Fi. It is for menu. Press and yes, you can see
There is an option for memory card in this. It is a waterproof case, you can see it here. So switch on this first. Switching on SJ cam.
The most disadvantage of this action camera, I think, is the screen is a not touch screen. If you want to change some settings, then you need the buttons which are on side or in front of this action camera, or you need mobile application. Now you need to download the application, which can be downloaded by scanning this QR code, or you can also download from the link given into the descriptions of this video. This is SJ Cam Zone app. After installing this app, you need to connect your mobile phone with this camera, and before connecting, you must enable Wi-Fi on this camera. You can directly enable Wi-Fi from this switch. Just press this and it will show the SSID and password. The default password is 12345678. After installation of this app and completing all formalities, you need to connect mobile phone to the SSID of this camera. Go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the SSID of the camera and enter the password, which is 12345678 for this. Now the camera is connected to the app and you can see video directly into your mobile phone. Here are some options given into the mobile phone. Let's see one by one. At the bottom of this you get settings tab. Click on this and you will observe all kinds of settings inside this. From the settings you can observe that it can record 4K videos only up to 24 frames per second. This can record 1080p videos 60 frames per second and 720 up to 120 frames per second. There are some more settings to adjust gyro sensor and EV values, white balance. You can also adjust the power on off mode of this, and there are so many other settings. You can use all the settings from this application. Different mode of camera operation you can directly set from this application. Modes given here are video, video lapse, slow motion, video plus photo, in which you can take photo as well, video both you can capture. And the next one is car move. This is a different option. And last one is vertical screen. It's a really very nice option. With the help of this you can shot vertical videos, and you can see the quality of this vertical videos is very good. Generally talking about action camera, vertical videos are not good, but for this it is giving a good quality video. Now let me remove this screen protector from this so that I can get maximum quality which it can give, and it's good quality, good enough. I think at these conditions, in low light conditions I am shooting here, it's okay. I will make a different video regarding quality of this camera, and there I will explain and show you all the details or detailed videos of this camera. All photos and videos I will share there. This action camera have 3 buttons, one in front, you can see it here, and 2 other buttons are on the side of this action camera. With the help of this button, you can record the video or pictures. The color of the ring changes according to the what things you are capturing. If you are capturing videos, the color of this ring is different. If you are taking photos, then the color of this ring will be different. This small button can also be used to switch off and on this action camera. About the video quality, picture quality, and all the settings and complete review about this camera, I will post another video on this channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel till now, then click on this subscribe button and press the notification icon so that you never miss any video from this channel. If I talk about the price range of action cameras, then all the Hero cameras are starting from 35,000 and above of that. Action cameras from DJI, that is DJI Osmo Action, is nearly about 20,000 and this camera is nearly about 12 to 13,000. So in this price range, what do you think? Is this camera is good deal to purchase or not? Please write your suggestion into the comment sections. Thank you very much.